Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. I've been wanting to do things I've been loving, current favorites for a while because I haven't done one since probably October. But today, instead of just doing a monthly favorites, I wanted to share some of my all-time favorite purchases from last year. So kind of like a yearly 2022 favorites mixed with things I'm currently loving. I'll have everything linked down below. I'm actually itching and so excited to share these with y'all because I am actually obsessed with so many of these. I need to talk about it at length. So I'm super excited to get into it. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Subscribe for more videos. I'll also link my bodysuit. Hopefully it's still available. H&M, y'all. H&M. Anyway, let's get into it. This year, more than ever, I became obsessed with Anthropologie. I feel like before I would completely stay away because their prices tend to be so expensive, but I realized that they do sales pretty often, so I would wait and hold off until they had like a 30% off home, or they had some sort of deal going on. Like I recently purchased all their holiday stuff 75% off. So I have to share about my favorite collection that I got from them this year, or this past year. It's called the Bistro Tile, and it comes in 3 different styles. This kind of neutral gold and black that reminds me of like a Paris or New York cafe, and then this butterfly one. This is a pet bowl. I use it for their water in my office. This is the butterfly one, and they also have a bee one that's really cute as well. I am completely obsessed with this collection. I have their spoon holder, I have their salt and pepper, oh, their butterfly butter dish, so many cute things. I think it's one of their cutest, most unique collections. It adds a little something. This whole video, this is the reason for it. I needed to talk about at length, like in detail, about this lip product. I saw it on TikTok one day and I thought, pretty, you know, no big deal. Then I was at Ulta and I saw the display like in person, so I started swatching them. Obsessed. It's what I'm wearing on my lips right now. It's by Tarte and it's called the Maracuja Juicy Lip Cream. And it looks like this. It's like if a lip balm and a very creamy lipstick had a baby, and it's so nice. I mean, this color is just everything. I love like a my lips but better type of color, and the formula is just flawless. I like how it fades really evenly and it's so hydrating. This is the color Soft Rose. If you don't like lipsticks, if you never like liquid lipsticks, if you don't like the stickiness of lip gloss, if you're a lip balm girly but need a little bit of color, just trust me. I am so confident that you will like it. I've told all my friends about it, like, go try it. It's been so long since I last talked about dhgate. So many people in my Q&A on Instagram last night were asking about it, and the short version of are there more dhgate videos coming is I am not ever gonna do like a dedicated dhgate haul again on my channel, but I will include bits and pieces in videos like these. So today I have some Lululemon, and this was a year that I really turned it around with my fitness. I started at 45 in August, and I kid you not, it has changed my life. It has changed how I view fitness, how I view my body image, how I feel. I never thought I'd be the kind of person who would wake up at 5 a.m. to work out, and I've done it at least 3 times a week. I think it was probably the best investment that I could have done postpartum for myself. It's definitely a favorite. But back to the workout clothes. If the Fast and Freeze and the Alliance had a baby, this is it. They are high-rise tights, but the Align fabric, but the waistband actually compresses you. Probably have 5 now, and they're 20 bucks. I get a size small. They fit perfectly. They really suck me in. They don't like write down when I'm working out. This is the Groove pants. I don't know, they're like yoga pants basically. They're the Align material. They flare at the bottom. They fit me pretty well. Like I don't feel like I'm constantly stepping on them. I'm 4'11", but as you can see, I do drag quite a bit of dirt around. That's just a me problem. They're amazing. They're buttery soft. They're so comfortable. I no longer wear Aligns around the house. I only wear these. These are my 2 top finds of the year. I still buy like sports bras and things, and I have everything over on my Like to Know It. So I do dossier sponsorships every single month. Like I have a really great relationship with the brand, and I truly cannot say this enough. Dossier is one of the best deals and the best brands of perfume and cologne out there, and this isn't even like they're not paying me to say this. I have an entire shelf in my bathroom that I will show you full of Dossier. It could be a Dossier store in here. My husband uses their colognes, my brother uses their colognes, my dad uses their colognes. The fact that they're like so affordable and then they smell exactly like the fragrance they're trying to replicate from like those expensive brands blows my mind every time. But I had to talk about two like standout ones, especially from someone who has tried almost all of their colognes and perfumes. I mean, not their colognes, but I have smelled them. I'm a huge fan of sweet fragrances. I think that's something you need to know about me, but I don't want to smell like a candy store. I don't want to smell like cotton candy, even though I used to love that perfume. I still want to smell feminine and like a little bit more mature, but still sweet and like that smells good, you know what I mean? So these are my favorite from the year, and honestly my favorite of all time from those years, the Amberly. They have changed the name quite a bit. It used to be called Oriental 1, now it's called Ambery Vanilla, but it's basically the YSL Black Opium alternative. I don't think I can say the D word, but it literally just smells just like it. And then this is my other favorite. This one I use more towards like the spring, summer, warmer months. This is the Floriental Almond. I've had this for quite a bit, but this one just smells really nutty, sweet, yummy. Have you ever washed your hands at like a public restroom or like at a restaurant and they have like that sweet almond soap? Please someone tell me you know what I'm talking about. That is what this smells like, but like a little bit more balanced, which is my favorite way to describe their scents. Anyway, I'm just obsessed with these. I couldn't do a video without talking about these because I literally wear them all the time. If you haven't tried those here, definitely do so. If this 3-minute long clip didn't convince you, I don't know what will. And I still need to do a video about this because this was one of the craziest things to happen to me. One of my favorite sellers of dhgate. I've bought things from the start from her store with my own money, blah blah. She reached out to me one day and I thought it was a scam. I was like, there's no way. And she's like, we want to send you a box. And I was like, say less, Maggie, say less. Y'all, this big, okay? Filled to the brim. A lot of things were in my style, so I did give those away, but I did keep a lot of things that are so nice. Starting off with this bag. Her LV stuff is my favorite. I think she does the best job with those. This has become my go-to going out to dinner bag. It's adjustable so I can carry it kind of like a shoulder bag, but also I can use it as a crossbody. I love the black against the brown monogram, and I feel like this is a bag that really does fit everything for me. I love the fact, oh, I have a lipstick here. I love the fact that it has a zipper. It has pockets, it has so many compartments, just looks nice. It's the perfect size for me, so I've been loving this one. Super grateful that Maggie sent me those, but as you'll know, my reviews will always be honest no matter what. If you've been watching my channel and you're expecting the dhgate reviews, they're coming back just in a different way. Even though I'm no longer blonde, and honestly thank God, because my hair couldn't do it anymore. I never liked purple shampoo when I was blonde. I feel like the ashy tones really wash me out, so I would never use it, but then my hair would get like really brassy and slowly faded into a darker tone. I wish I would have discovered this when I was blonde, and if you are, I highly recommend trying it. I use it sometimes now, not really the mask anymore, but this. Let me explain what it is first. I'm getting ahead of myself. So this is a collection by Joico, and it's supposed to help brighten your blonde without making it ashy. It says it's a brightening mask to intensely hydrate, detox, and illuminate your blonde. So think sun-in, but in like a formula with like shampoos, conditioners, mask, and it works so well. It makes your hair so nice and bright without changing the tone of it. This I got off Amazon. This I found at Marshall's, but they also sell off Amazon. This is the Blonde Life Brightening Mask, and it works so well. It makes my hair really nice and soft. I just really like this brand. I recently purchased another collection, the hydrating one. Highly recommend if you're looking for like a good hair care brand. They have everything. This is gonna sound so sponsored, but it's not. I think Verse does such a good job at marketing themselves by sending influencers these PR boxes, and I'm talking like small influencers to big ones, without expecting anything. Like they don't say post, they don't say we expect X in exchange for the box, nothing. That's not the point. I've become a stan of this brand. I mean, their packaging is so cute. That's besides the point, but like I love the aesthetic of it. Their products are so affordable and they work so freaking well. You can get them at Revolve, at Target, at Amazon, like everywhere. Obsessed. I am truly obsessed. Okay, these are like my standouts. If you're gonna try one thing and you really need a toner, I would highly recommend getting this one. It's called Baby Cheeks. I've definitely talked about it on my channel before. This is my second bottle. I use it every day. I love their pump packaging. You just take a cotton pad, you pump 2 things, then you rub it all over your face. It's actually supposed to be kind of like an all-in-one, but I kind of use it more as a toner after my micellar water and all that stuff. Toner, cleanser, and makeup remover. Trust me, I'm obsessed. And then this is their makeup balm that the Morning Toast is always talking about because they sponsor them, and it's like one of those like oily solid balms that you use to take off your makeup. Stunning. And it smells like, what do you smell like? Oh, eucalyptus. I'm a stan. I literally purchased this, so try them out if you are looking for new skincare. Okay, a few kind of rapid fire ones because I feel like I really talk so much in this video about each thing. I wanted to talk about the Dyson because it's staring at me. It's staring at me right now and it makes me want to grab it. Let me grab it. Okay, here it is. I got this because Target was having a sale on it a few months ago, and it was when the spider gate happened. So my shark vacuum, my dad had to remove from this household because I couldn't look at it the same, and the spider was like stuck inside. If you know, you know. Anyway, it was like an impulse buy for sure, and this is not like the most expensive one by any means, so take everything I say with a grain of salt. But I have a love-hate relationship with the vacuum because of the battery life. It works so well. The reason why I don't know if I love this thing is because the battery is literally like 5 minutes long. Not really, maybe like less than an hour, but it goes by so quick that by the time I'm done like with one room, I know I'm not gonna have much time. Oh my god, is the vacuum trying to kill me? I know I'm not gonna have much time left to use it, and then it takes forever to charge. So in that sense, it's pretty inconvenient. I've only ever had vacuums that are that have the cable that I have to plug in. This is a cordless one, so it does make a difference, but still, y'all, like, I don't know, it's so much money. And then if you want one that runs for a long time, you have to spend $1,000. So for me, it's only worth it if it's on sale. I guess that's all I'll say, but I do love it. Okay, the last thing I want to talk about is this Etsy shop that I found. So these like old school preppy southern style bubbles and little dresses are very popular in Louisiana, and when I went to school there, like I went to LSU for a few years, I would see the cutest little girls. I used to work at a cupcake shop, and they would come in with their mom or dad or nanny after school, and they would be wearing their cute little bubbles, and I always would see them and think, I cannot wait to have a baby girl one day to put her in those bubbles. Oh my god, like this story's like bringing so many feelings back because I haven't said it out loud to anyone. Anyway, she grows out of things this quick, and for the most part she's in comfy clothes, so like we're not dressing her up, blah blah blah. The point that I'm trying to make, my actual favorite thing from that shop, is this mystery bundle. I've done it 4 or 3 times now, and y'all, the best deal ever. You get 3 bubbles or dresses or both for $50, and one of the bubbles is like about $50, so like it's already a steal there. Like I ordered like a size up, so I got like dresses for when she's like 3 and 4 years old. They have like really cute holiday themes. I know this is like a long-winded explanation. At this point I'm just talking, but I highly recommend if you have a baby girl. I think they're so cute. Dang it. Okay, not that this video needs to be any longer, but I see UPS and I know I ordered like a lot of things, and the dogs are downstairs. They're definitely gonna bark, and Olivia's asleep, so I need to leave. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I should have my monthly favorites come back every single month, so stay tuned for those. Oh my god, my phone almost fell. And I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.